moving on to our next recipe, we're going to be making some chicken and biscuits. So I'm just starting off by putting 3 chicken breasts, a cup of milk, a chopped up onion, a half a chopped up onion, a can of cream of chicken soup, and some seasonings. So I'm adding about 1/4 teaspoon of poultry seasoning, some garlic powder, and some pepper. I actually end up adding more pepper in the end because I do that to taste as well. So once everything gets cooking, I'll give it a little taste and see if we need some more pepper or not. And then I'm going to finish it off by adding a bag of, again, frozen mixed veggies. I do usually add about 2 chopped up potatoes in here as well, but I didn't realize I didn't have any, so I did not do that this time around. You can cook this on low all day or high for about 5 hours or so. Your last hour, you're gonna go ahead and shred up your chicken. And also my mixture was a little bit thin for what I like it because I didn't have the potatoes to soak up some of the juice. So I went ahead and added some flour in there. I didn't show this, but I added probably about 2 tablespoons of flour and that just thickened it right up. I served this with some easy refrigerated biscuits and there you go, you have chicken and biscuits.